Welcome to our shop vac attachments tutorial. Today, we'll explore the various attachments that can enhance the performance of your shop vac, also called a wet/dry vac. Let's start with the most basic attachment, the crevice tool. It's perfect for reaching tight corners and narrow spaces. Next, we have the utility nozzle, designed for general cleaning. It's great for picking up debris from floors and carpets. For tackling dry messes, the floor nozzle is your go-to attachment. Its wide suction head covers more surface area. To optimize your shop vac's versatility, the brush attachment comes in handy. It's ideal for furniture, upholstery, and delicate surfaces. The extension wands allow you to extend your reach and clean high shelves, ceiling corners, and even second floor areas. When it's time to clean larger debris, the largemouth nozzle is the perfect tool. It can handle leaves, sticks, and even small branches. If you regularly deal with liquids, get the squeegee attachment. It efficiently sucks up liquids and leaves surfaces streak-free. The blower port attachment transforms your shop vac into a powerful blower. Use it to blow away sawdust, leaves, or even inflate air mattresses. For cleaning upholstery or small, delicate items, attach the upholstery nozzle. Its gentle suction won't damage your belongings. The gulper nozzle is best for cleaning up wet messes, such as spills or floods. Its wide mouth and powerful suction make it highly efficient. When dealing with stubborn dirt or pet hair, the powered pet tool is your secret weapon. Its rotating brush agitates and lifts the toughest messes. Don't forget about the foam sleeve attachment. It helps filter fine particles, preventing damage to your motor and ensuring optimal performance. The cartridge filter is a crucial attachment for trapping dust and debris. Replace it regularly for optimal filtration efficiency. The crevice extension tool enhances the reach of your crevice attachment for those hard-to-reach spots. It's essential for reaching behind appliances or into vents. With the right set of floor sweep attachments, you can easily clean your garage, workshop, or outdoor spaces. Remember, it's important to refer to your shop vac's manual to ensure proper usage and compatibility with specific attachments. Explore the shop vac attachments that best fit your cleaning needs and enjoy a more efficient and versatile cleaning experience. Thanks for joining this tutorial on shop vac attachments. Happy cleaning!